Hi guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a legit way to increase coins and diamonds fast in MadOut2. And as you can see guys, all the options here, and you can see guys the number of the gems and coins here in my account and see all the options here guys. So let me show you guys quickly how you can get this, how you can increase the number of coins and diamonds in your MadOut2 account. So let me show you guys quickly how you can do this. So for that, what you have to do guys, just open any browser on your phone and go to this website. Go to this website guys. Go to this website apkcrunch.co. Now hit the search button. Okay guys, now go to the search section of this website and search MadOut here. MadOut. Now hit the search button. Now guys, click here. Okay guys, so here on this page there is two buttons to download. First button is download for Android and second is download for iPhone. Currently I'm using my Android guys, so I'm gonna click here on the Android. If you are using an iPhone, go with the second button, but currently I'm using my Android, so I'm gonna go with this first button, download for Android. Now guys, click here, continue download. Okay guys, so here on this page, follow and complete the instructions of any two offers below to finish the downloading process. So here guys, on this page you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers. You can choose any two offers guys, but remember one thing guys, offers can be different for different countries. So let me show you by completing one of the offer guys how you can do this. So for example, here is an app guys, Fusion Blocks. Download and install this app, then complete level 10 to unlock your content. Click continue. It redirected me to Play Store guys. So actually I have already completed this offer guys, so that's why it's not available for me right now. So when you will complete this first time, it will gonna be available for you. So you just need to install this app on your phone and you have to reach to the level 11 or level 10 in order to complete the instructions of this app. The same way guys, you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers from that list. After that, you can successfully get this MadOut2 on your phone and you will be able to increase the coins and gems fast, and you can unlock all the cards in your account. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care.